I was originally giving up hope for text that, but oh my god, I finally got it. Holy crap. The programming is pretty sloppy. Let me just quickly go through that now. uh, oh god. So basically what this is, I'm just trying to explain this the best way I can, but in the previous demos that I showed, the NPC that I walk up to the text, it had a box around it, and that box I made like an actor. That was what held basically where all this programming would be. So all this programming would be inside each individual actor. So it doesn't matter how messy it is. It won't I won't have every single text thing here. This is only for let's say each sign. This is something I need to work with somebody from the Unreal Slacker server, the Discord server. I'll put a link to that as well as my own Discord server in the description. They made me a thing to basically show what to do, and this is all the things that it consists of, and I just went in and I just tried to make it how I needed. If we open up this is the widget itself. I got a button here and the text, and this is a wrap box. It doesn't do anything because I was just testing. It didn't work how I wanted it to, but this is just the text, which has a bound variable to it. Let me just show you that. Very simple. It's just getting the display. I'll get into all this in just a second. This is a button that is basically the focus button. This is what you use to progress the text, so it go multiple things or to close out of it. So that's pretty much all that with the... Actually, that's not true. If we come here, we have a bit of things. This is just putting the focus into this button. I won't get into that right now. This is press text button. Okay, yeah, this is just saying that I pressed the button, and then it's sending it that I didn't press it, and then basically every second it's gonna test if it's end of the text, and if it is, then it's going to... I don't need this, but I'm gonna keep it here anyways because it works. It's just gonna get rid of the thing. What is it called? It's gonna get rid of the widget itself. So that's that. And then what am I looking for? Is it this one? No. Give me a second. Oh yeah, this is all the variables. We have display text, changing text. That's for this thing right here. Because the way that I set up it actually changing the text on the widget is I had to have two ones. This is the changing one. This is the one that we tell it to be different. And then this one right here, the get text, is the display text. This is what's popping up on the screen. I had to make them different because otherwise it didn't work for whatever reason. End of text is just a variable I set saying that there's nothing more. Yeah, that gets put under here. Whenever it's done, I say, yup, that's the end of the messages, so that's what closes out of it. End of message is just what changes each message, so you'll have one line like, hello, and then you press enter and it says, my name is blah blah. And then message 2, message 3, so we don't need message 1, because whatever you set the text as originally, so this right here, this is message 1, and then you just have to have message 2, message 3, all that. I thought there was another thing I wanted to show, but I suppose not. The thing I've been stuck on for the longest time was all this over here, which is just making a noise that doesn't play during a space, which is really hard for some reason, but it's actually not. It's very simple. It had just to do with, I basically set two different, length. Okay, so yeah, we're getting the length. I'm not going to get into this right now, but we're getting the length of the display text, and we're getting the messages from the changing text. So changing text is what has the full thing. Display text is what adds on letter by letter. So I believe that's all the technical stuff I need to show, and now I'm going to show how all of it actually, how it came out. I'm just going to close this just in case it corrupts. Alright, new recording, maybe this will work. I'm just gonna show how all this functions and stuff. As you can see, it goes up one letter at a time, and it plays a sound whenever there's an actual text, but when there's a space, it doesn't. And when you press the button, it changes it. And then you press it again. Changed it. That was a while ago when I thought it was going to work first time, but nothing ever does. And then you click it one last time, and it gets rid of the entire thing, and then you'd be able to walk along. It actually works. I can actually do this in my game. I have hope. That is a big thing I wanted. Relieved off my chest. And oh my god, you don't know how relieved I am. Alright, anyways, thank you for that. It was kind of an explanation. I'm still just learning about all this, but so yeah, my knowledge on it, my explanation wasn't that good, but I'm getting better with it, hopefully. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I need to make a tutorial on that Undertale battle system, although I might put that off for a little bit, simply because with this whole RPG game, I'm trying to make my own turn-based battle system, a better version than the Undertale one, because the Undertale one I did was really badly done, but I was on a time crunch, so I couldn't really think of much more, so I just did whatever, and it did work. It just wasn't that good, so I'm working on another one. So probably by the time I perfect that, or just, get it good, that's when I'll make another tutorial on how to do an Undertale battle system, because it's kind of the same thing. I'm not that creative. But either way, and I want to do a series on how to make a 2D RPG game, because there's not, like, any tutorials for that. I want to do, because I'm trying to make one my own, so I'm going to do from, all the steps you need. Starting off, like, animating sprites and stuff. Just very simple stuff. It's going to be a top-down RPG. 2D RPG. But, okay, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye. Remember to check the description for the Discords and other things. See ya!